In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple method you can use to request money if you are using the Wise app. Now, what you want to do firstly would be to open your Wise application, and afterwards you would see at the top corner of your screen, you click on the request button. So once you click on that, there are different ways you can request money from someone. You can use the name of the person. You can equally use the Wise tag, email, or phone number of the person. So if, for example, I already have the contact on my phone, I will just click on the account number of the person, and depending on the currency you intend to send, I can change this to either euro, to Great Britain pounds, or any currency that I am interested in. So for example, I could just state that I want to request 100 Great Britain pounds, and that's all. Immediately I click on send. Whoever I intend to request money from will get a notification and can instantly send me the money. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.